damage.
Another basement, termite and water damage.
Come here. These pipes
Well,
are all blistering, all leaking and cracked.
the ones in our place are not blistering. Holy
Oh,
shit.
Look at this boiler.
Look at this boiler. This thing's a dinosaur.
Electric panel.
That's a fucking V12
It's
engine.
Water.
The electrical panel's taking water?
Yeah.
And you're just letting me touch it?
Look at this thing.
Wow. This thing is toast. Still working though.
All cracked, all leaking.
Needs all new plumbing. Soil tank looks pretty good.
All new plumbing.
Wow. This is a cool
That's the
spot.
garage. Be careful. There's the door just hanging out.
Okay, I'm not gonna open that. Just another day at the office. Basement life in New England. You gotta make sure that these cast iron pipes are not actively leaking. Get a newer furnace. Electrical's good.